The question is, to paint LA or to paint Malibu? What would you choose? Today we will be talking more about watercolor paper and specifically about Arches watercolor paper. So if you're an artist who is seeking to elevate the watercolor game, then today I will be sharing my thoughts on painting on Arches Aquarelle Watercolour Pad. As a devoted watercolorist, I've had the pleasure of putting this esteemed pad to the test, and I must say it's truly a game changer. For those of you who are for the first time here, my name is Ala, I'm a sketch illustrator and watercolorist, and from 2020 I'm an art teacher too. If you wonder where you can find these art guided tutorials, then you can join my Patreon, or you can choose to buy this class from my Etsy shop. The links I will leave below. First and foremost, let's talk about quality. The Arches Aquarelle Pad boasts 300 GSM paper weight, ensuring durability and resilience to water. This means you can indulge in multiple layers, washes, and techniques without fear of your paper buckling or warping. But before we dive into this step, let me share with you a process of drawing and painting on it, and considering each step and how this paper works at each level of work. My drawing experience. Drawing on the Arches Aquarelle Pad is a joyous experience. I was using an HB pencil and a kneadable eraser. Usually I'm not drawing really strong lines, but when it is about a guiding class, then yes, I press harder. And the kneadable eraser helps not to damage the paper, even though I think that this paper would resist at any type of eraser. The cold-pressed texture of the Arches Aquarelle Pad adds a delightful dimension to the artwork. It strikes the perfect balance between roughness and smoothness, providing just the right amount of tooth for the watercolor pigments to adhere to. This texture is versatile, allowing to create a wide range of effects from delicate washes to bold strokes. Whether you are layering colors or adding intricate details, the grain-thin surface ensures that your painting retains its depth and character. Gather your favorite watercolor paints, brushes, and water, and since the paper is heavyweight and absorbent, it can handle multiple layers of paint. So feel free to experiment with different colors and techniques. As you can see, I started to paint with a wet-on-wet technique on this paper, and one of the advantages of the Arches Aquarelle Pad is its ability to handle the wet-on-wet technique with ease. Begin by wetting the paper with clean water using a large brush. Then apply your watercolor pigments onto the wet surface, allowing them to blend and mingle organically. The paper's texture enhances the diffusion of colors, creating beautiful gradients and soft transitions. Layering and detailing. Thanks to its sturdy construction, the Arches Aquarelle Pad allows you to layer colors and add intricate details without worrying about the paper buckling or warping. Build up your painting gradually, letting each layer dry completely before adding the next. The cold-pressed texture provides excellent grip for the pigments, allowing to achieve precise lines and textures with ease. One of the standout features of this pad is its cold-pressed texture. The grain-thin texture adds dimension and character to the artwork, enhancing the overall visual appeal. Whether you are painting a landscape, portraits, or abstract, the cold-pressed surface provides just the right amount of tooth to grip your pigment and create stunning effects. As an artist, I value consistency and reliability in my materials, and the Arches Aquarelle Pad delivers on both fronts. The paper's archival quality ensures that your masterpiece will stand the test of time, retaining their vibrancy and integrity for years to come. About experimenting with this paper. Don't be afraid to push the boundaries of your creativity with this paper. Try different techniques such as splattering, lifting, or salt effects to discover new ways of expressing yourself through watercolor. The paper's resilience and absorbency make it the perfect canvas for exploration and innovation. In conclusion, drawing on the Arches Aquarelle Watercolour Pad is a delightful journey of discovery and expression. Its superior texture and versatility empower you to unleash the creativity and bring the visions to life with confidence and flair. I really enjoyed painting on this Arches paper. As far as you noticed, I used an A3 size paper. You can choose the pad of any other dimensions. My pad consists of 12 papers, so I still have 10 papers to enjoy and to paint on. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and obviously share any comments below. I will be super happy to read your thoughts, your comments. And till the next time, enjoy Arches paper. So LA or Malibu, what would you choose? And the art tutorials are available on my Patreon or on my Etsy shop. The link I will leave below. Bye!